Let's look at 3 reasons therapy commonly doesn't work. And the first one is the most important, and that is rapport. So if there's not a connection between you and your therapist, it doesn't matter what strategies, techniques, tactics, whatever they coach you on. If you don't feel that connection, you don't feel heard, you don't feel respected, understood, valued, then it doesn't matter. You're not going to be inclined to do what they're saying, and you're not going to see the results because your brain is already working against you and telling you that this person is not for you. The second reason is underlying self-limiting beliefs. So it's very difficult to rewrite your personal narrative, which is what makes therapy successful, if you don't even understand where it comes from in the first place. So you have to understand where it is that you come from, what your brain has been trained to believe about you and other people, and you have to dissect that, unpack it, reframe it, store it differently in your brain. And this involves overcoming self-limiting beliefs. I have a whole course on this. If you want more help on this, I'll make sure to put that in the comments. The third reason is that you're not doing your homework or your therapist isn't giving you homework. So when you come in to see me for a session once a week or however frequently, that's one little blip on the radar. You're outside of my office living your life all the other time in that week. So if you're not out there doing homework and working your treatment, then you're not going to see the success that you're looking for. So make sure that when you look for a therapist, you find someone who understands you, someone whom you can connect with and feel comfortable with. It may not be the first person you see. It may not be the third or the fifth or the seventh. It may take a while to find someone with whom you truly connect. Sometimes I'm the first therapist for people. Sometimes I'm the 7th or the 8th or the 10th or the whatever. It takes some time. So look for that connection. Make sure you unpack those underlying self-limiting beliefs, those negative core beliefs that you developed when you were little that have stuck with you based on whatever experiences you went through. Trauma and different things happen to people, and that's important. And it's important to unpack that and reframe it, store it differently in the brain. But it's also important to look at the negative core beliefs that those experiences generated that still affect you on a daily basis. And then do that homework. Make sure you ask your therapist for homework if they're not inclined to give it to you.